So today we're going to be making thumbnails, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to this URL, canva.com, and then you're going to search templates. You're going to search YouTube thumbnail. Now this is probably the most stressful part of the whole procedure, because it can be a bit of a bugger to get it to open the thumbnail, but not today. It seems like it's going pretty easy. So you pick one of these things that you want to make from. I usually just pick any of them and then just delete whatever. Use the template. So here we are, making it. Then I usually just delete all this stuff, all this text, get rid of it. Just click it and delete it. Yeah, so that's that. Move this bad boy back up. And then you have all your uploads. These are all uploads that I use to make old thumbnails. But it's pretty easy to just get uploads. So like for this thumbnail, I think we could use like a canvas. Or actually, how about an actual thumbnail? So we can get these thumbs up here. Save the image. Save it to our downloads. Let me just drag it up here. It uploads the image for us. And then once it's uploaded, we can make it the background. Wow. That's a pretty shitty picture though, so I'm gonna find something different. Oh, this guy. This is a winner. So we're gonna save him and then upload him. So, boom. So we don't really want him to be the background though. That's the first thing you have to do on this site, is find the background for the picture that you want. Let's just go with like a nice blue gradient. Something like this. It's not the right resolution, but it should work out, I think. And you just put it here, and there you have it. That kind of looks lame though. You kind of want to have a, well, let's undo that. If you need to undo anything, it's just up here in the top left. It's a good idea to get PNGs. I like this one, but it doesn't show his nail, so I'm not going to use it. Okay, maybe this one will work? Yeah, let's use it. So save image. Make sure you save it as a PNG image to your downloads. And then you just do a little upsy doodly. Uh-oh. Sometimes it'll spaz out. What is going on? Yeah, sometimes it's trippy, so you just got to do a little refreshment. And then just put it in. And that's our thumbnail. Now you can do like a little crop of it, a little flip, filter. You can even just keep putting them out there, you know? So just put out all the images that you want, something that you think is gonna bring the viewer in. I think this one's gonna work pretty well. It kind of looks a bit phallic, but I think that kind of adds to the appeal. I'm gonna leave some space up here, just so that I can put a text box in later. Man, how many of these bad boys do you think we should put in? Let's put in like 27, because I think we're at 27 subscribers at the moment. 25, 26, and that is 27. Alright, now that you have your image done, what you need to do next is put in some text. So I usually just click heading, and then bring it up to wherever. Today we're going to be putting it in the top left. Make sure it's nice and big so that people can read it. And you might want to put it somewhere that they can see it too. Like I'm going to be putting it in the top left today, but I put it in the center before, I put it in the other corners, you know. Something I personally like to do is change the title on the thumbnail from the title in the video, but you can do whatever you like. I find this works best for me though. Thumbnail tutorial. Let's just name it that. Let's do it in all caps so that we can grab the attention of everyone. And let's find a nice font that we can use. So actually let's move this guy over so that we can just see him while we select our font. I like this Advent Pro Bold, so I'm going to use it, but I think I'm going to change the color to a nice, yeah, you know what, I like that pink. I like that pink a lot. I think it contrasts nicely with the blue. So I think I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. I think that's it. That's how you make a thumbnail. Now you just got to download it, PNG, and hit download, save in your design, and you're done. That's how you make a thumbnail on YouTube. Feel free to leave a comment, a like, And if you're feeling up to it, maybe subscribe.